one have you gone for? Hermione Granger.
What did the lady say to you? Can you remember?
When you do a spell, it vibrates and it lights up on the end.
Wow.
What's that?
Have a look. I think they would. Well, here she goes. Oh wow! You made his hat come off. Skills, mate.
Yeah?
So you just done that? Triangle, right? There you go, it's working.
Approach with extreme caution. Do not attempt to use magic against this man. But I will say, I don't think he helped himself with that lovely. Cross. And back down.
Situation under control before they take over the rest of Hogsmeade.
It's cold. Hey, that's my. Oh. Well done, darling. Yeah, we're going to get on it and go right to the next park. You're ready, Dotti, to ride the Hogwarts Express. Arrived at King's Cross Station. Remind me what? Oh, that's. How did you know that? Oh look, we're going through. The bricks have already turned. Diagon Alley. Quidditch supplies. Weasleys Wizard Wheezes. Whoa. What's that? Love potion? You do not need love potion.
What is this, Mummy?
Troll, Fugger, Putty. What?
Incredible ears. Remember that they were using them the other day in the story, putting them downstairs so they could hear the mum talking downstairs. Remember? That is liquid luck. If I remember. Felix Felicis, yes, liquid luck.
Whatever you want. Welcome to Stage 1 for chopsticks, causes mayhem at Chinese restaurant.
That's it. Well done, babe.
Filming that got me absolutely soaked.